How to write a great prompt for ChatGPT. Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to write a great prompt for ChatGPT. Writing effective prompts helps you get clearer, more accurate, and more creative responses from the model. Introduction. ChatGPT responds best when it receives a well-structured prompt. A strong prompt gives context, defines the goal, and guides the model in the right direction. The better you ask, the better answers you'll get. Be clear and specific. The first rule is to be clear and specific. Avoid vague or broad requests. Instead, state exactly what you want. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about science," you could ask, "Explain the laws of motion in simple terms for school students." Adding details about tone, format, and audience improves the quality of the response. Provide context. Next, always provide context. If your request has a purpose, like writing for a blog, preparing for a presentation, or explaining to children, mention it. This ensures ChatGPT tailors the answer to your needs. Context makes your request more focused and relevant. Define the output format. Defining the output format is very powerful. If you want an essay, a list, or a code snippet, say so. For example, you can ask for a bullet point summary, a step-by-step explanation, or even a story. This guides ChatGPT to deliver information in the exact structure you expect. Experiment and refine. Prompts don't have to be perfect the first time. Try different versions and refine them based on the results. If the first answer isn't right, adjust your wording. Think of it as a conversation. You can combine creativity with clarity until you get the best response. Examples of good versus bad prompts. Here are some examples. A bad prompt might be, "Tell me about history." That's too broad. A better version would be, "Write a 150-word summary of World War II for high school students." Another example, instead of simply saying, "Explain photosynthesis," you could say, "Explain photosynthesis in simple terms for a 10-year-old." Notice how the improved prompts add clarity, context, and audience. Conclusion. To sum up, a great prompt is clear, specific, and provides context. The more thoughtful your prompt, the better ChatGPT can help you. With practice and refinement, you'll get more accurate, creative, and useful responses. Remember, good questions lead to great answers.